exploring the charm of Fieldside Farmhouse. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're going to dive into a picturesque phrase that paints a beautiful picture in just a few words: Fieldside Farmhouse. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it in your conversations and writings. So, let's get started. The phrase, Fieldside Farmhouse, is made up of two main components: fieldside and farmhouse. Let's break these down for clarity. Fieldside refers to something being located next to or alongside a field. Fields can be of any type: agricultural lands, open country areas, or even sports fields. The word side, in this context, signifies proximity or adjacency. Farmhouse is a type of house or building that serves as the main residence in a rural or agricultural setting. Farmhouses are typically situated in the countryside and are associated with a farm or a ranch. Combining these two, a fieldside farmhouse is a house located next to or very close to a field, often within a rural or agricultural landscape. It evokes images of tranquility, nature, and rustic living. To truly understand the meaning of fieldside farmhouse, it's helpful to visualize the setting. Imagine a quaint, cozy house made of wood or stone, with a porch overlooking vast fields stretching out into the horizon. These fields might be golden with wheat, green with corn, or speckled with flowers. The farmhouse is a place of peace, surrounded by the beauty of nature and the rhythm of agricultural life. This setting is not just a physical location. It's a symbol of a lifestyle that is close to nature, grounded in simplicity and the cycles of the seasons. The phrase, fieldside farmhouse, can be used in various contexts to convey more than just a location. Here are a few examples. Descriptive writing. In stories or descriptions, using fieldside farmhouse immediately sets the scene and conjures a specific atmosphere. Real estate and advertising. This phrase can be used to evoke a desirable, idyllic lifestyle in advertisements for homes or holiday rentals. Metaphorical use. Beyond its literal meaning, fieldside farmhouse can metaphorically represent a peaceful, ideal retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. We hope this journey to the fieldside farmhouse has been as delightful for you as it was for us. This phrase is a beautiful example of how English can paint vivid pictures with just a few words, transporting us to serene landscapes and simpler times. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about the stories we can tell and the worlds we can imagine. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more enchanting phrases with you in the future. Happy learning!